Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this warm aesthetic coloring and quality in CapCut. So first just add your videos and then go to filter, and in here find the green orange filter under the movies category and set it to 90. Now click on the adjust and follow what I did. So for the brightness, lower it to -10, contrast -50, and then saturation, no, exposure, sorry, -10. Then click on the HSL on the orange color, lower the hue into -70. Okay, and then the saturation increase it to 5. Now click on the blue color and set the hue to 5 and saturation 15. After that, go back, click on the highlight, lower it to -10, and then shadow 26. And now click on the temperature and increase it to only 4. And you are done, and here's the result for the warm aesthetic coloring for your videos. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.